welcome back. This is still Now Your Health on top Wazobia TV, where we summer you with correct informate. Well, we don't sound you the matter where we discuss today. We concern the different temperaments, like they call them, and we don't give you the 4 major ones. Now we won't begin sound you how you fit to use this temperament to your own advantage. If you know say you want chook mouth on top the matter, we dey Facebook, we dey Twitter, we dey Instagram, and you know as we dey do them now. If anything where you want, and just go, and if you want send us mail self, we get our email address. Just send them, give us for there. All these temperaments we they talk now, and only 4. Plenty people fill this world now. Well, these are the major ones. Out of all these ones, people get different one. They get one major one. Then if you get different mixture of all this one. For example, if you be major sanguine, if you get small choleric, get small phlegmatic, get small mouth. Some people they get the full combination together, depending. But some people if it be only one way they work for their life. It depends on the person. But how you go use them to your own advantage? The number one thing now make you know yourself. Yes, know which one you be. This information we will give you, so it will help you. But if you go internet, go our website, go check out for there. You go see some of the things where we don't outline. But if you do study by yourself, make you for know which one you be. Whether you be choleric, you be sanguine, you be male, or the different combinations. Because if you know them, at that time you go understand, say, oh, okay, that's now why I be like this. You know, go overflog yourself. Then you go also use them to your advantage. Don't to say, if for example you be born leader like choleric people, anywhere where you enter, you go just take over. They do what you do. You don't go feel bad. Say, now you they still people shine. No, and just the way you be. So use them to your advantage.
Another one be say you fit to use them to your advantage in such a way where you fit to interact, to gist well with your other people where they are around you. Now, if you not say one of your friend a choleric person, the person they like to do that kind of person, you not suppose they do mushy, they form make with gist, make with that person don't get that kind of time. Or you know say you get somebody where in a phlegmatic, in they like to they drag in leg, they do swag, they do smell. That kind of person, you know go make it be leader of one team where una get deadline, not that particular project. If it be another project, but another particular one. If you understand the kind of person where the other people or your other workers or friends be, then you go know the kind of thing, you go understand, say, okay, this person they behave like this because of temperament. I get somebody, in fact, one of our producers, where when they tell her, say, I know why they behave like this now because of this kind of thing. She goes, say, I beg you, forget that thing. I say, but now who you be? You know if you change them. Now who you be that. So know how to get along with others, because now to your own advantage now if you use this temperament.
The next one where you feel used to take, arrange yourself, you for know how you go blend in. Now for your work life, you get some kind temperaments where not fit do some kind of work. For example, choleric people, they not fit teach person. They go break the person head.
They get patience.
Because they don't get any patience. They say, So remind me of when my papa they teach me how to drive. Yes, me. Hey, my papa one nearly, in fact, if they take me back, I don't go try that kind of thing again. If they take me, never. My papa, he won't keep me on top of the matter, say they teach me how to drive. And I just come up for secondary school that time. He don't get one cover patience. I almost leave am for inside motor one day, waka they go. But anyway, I'm still the better for it, sha. But that's not the thing. So you understand your temperament, know the kind of work where you feel do. Like sanguines, they're very good for all these acting things, all these theater arts that they shine for all those places. If you put phlegmatic person for there, they just like peaceful. If you tell them, say, ask one, you go, they do swear, say, give them a script, say, they're not fit do. So you sabi your temperament, sabi the kind of work where you go fit do for your own good.
And another place where you feel use this temperament in, now when your relationship they concerned. Yes, your relationship. If you be husband, if you be wife, or say your marriage, say you know they enjoy your marriage. This my husband. If I'm not drag like this, I'm not patient like this. No, you supposed to understand. Say na so him be, na in temperament. If you be saying na sanguine it be, if na so, if you understand them, say na so it be, then you go feel relate to them. I one thing I know say cholerics and sanguine, they always. Cholerics no, they don't get patience for where sanguine is. So if sanguine they do smell, choleric will just push you back back for one corner. They not send you message. So your relationship, it go better your relationship if you use this temperament they tell you so.
Yeah, so from there we go, we don't do some kind of research. Can't find within some kind of sabi people they songs give us on top of the matter. They can't ask some kind of questions, can't answer them by themselves. So I go they read and they give you now. The first number one question they ask, then talk say, you fit change your personality. For example, as I be like this. for example, I be sang mail or sang call or whatever. I fit change them. The contact say, you not fit change your basic temperament style, oh, but you fit just use them, they influence some other things. Because some people, they try make mistakes, say they won't be like this person. Meanwhile, that not be you. So I beg, for this life, you see I should be like this. Not only you one, God creates. So just be yourself. Not try to be another person. Not change yourself. The only thing be say, those parts where you know say you get as weakness, you go they work on them, make people they help you. As in if you get people who fit just ginger you to do better. For example, phlegmatic people, they very laid back, they very lazy. Like me now, I get small phlegm inside my body. I talk true. So my husband, they help me. That now, in fact, constant, they push me to become better every day. I thank God, say naim God give me. So you feel just make yourself accountable, find ways to work on your own weakness. But if now say make you change, become another person, it's a no.
And another question where somebody where some people already can ask and they would even answer. They talk say, okay, which job be the best one for each of these temperaments? Because you know say you get some people where to them they say they're for the wrong job. In fact, nowadays most companies you get one kind of test where they tell you say make you do online. Not be attitude test though, but the test now to know which of the department they fit to put you. Take for example, when you do that test finish, they'll contact you say, okay, so this is not the department, this is not the kind of job, this is not the kind of career where you're supposed to follow. Cholerics, they say them be good leaders. So if you put them for managerial position, even though they go like to the chook eye for that errand, that work where they don't give another person, they go like to the chook eye for them. They even say sanguine, make I read them for you well. They say sanguine, they feel make good teachers. Yes, because they did patience. They're ready to break them down for you. And they say melancholy, self, they feel work for organization. We deal with like law, or medical profession, them saying that kind of thing fits them well. So you see, say with all this temperament, you self, you focus yourself, look yourself, know the kind of career, know the kind of path where you self want follow on top of this matter.
Yes, so we don't launch you, some of these questions and I believe say you don't learn one or two things, but time don't reach. We will go back break. We hate to leave you, but we have to go. So I beg, make you not go anywhere because our gang fat, still full ground, still bracket for you. And no waka come alone, no, because not only you go benefit from the matter. We they come back.
As 1/4 of this our obodo world, they use social media. The social media don't obviously influence our society, but sure they affect our body. These now 5 crazy ways where all these Facebook, Twitter them don't affect the brain. You know, gree log out. 5 to 10% of people where they use internet, they are unable to control the time when then they spend online. Although na psychological addiction, no be self-sense addiction. Brain scan of these heavy internet users show say na the same kind addiction problem them get with drug addict people. In short, they reduce white matter for inside the brain, for the part where they control emotion, attention, and decision making. Because social media they give you reward and happiness as you they chat with little stress, your brain go rearrange itself to they want this kind of reward without stress often. So you go they want to chat more and more. It just be like drug, abi. It also they happen with multitasking. You fit think say people where they use social media or shift from social media to office work back to chat fit multitask well. But sabi people don't say if you compare heavy social media users to other people, then they fail woefully when they do serious multitasking test. In short, too much multitasking from Twitter to Facebook to Yahoo like that, they make brain no fit store information well again. For example, when phone vibrates and they do office work, or wait, shey the phone even vibrate at all. Phantom vibration syndrome na new psychological wahala where person go think say in hear in phone ring when true e no even ring at all. If it be say body scratch or shock you and your brain can't think say na your phone. As colo as it fit be, technology don't rearrange our nervous system and our brain don't deboot as never before. Social media also ginger the release of dopamine, wey be the feel-good chemical. Sabi people don't come outside say the reward wey people they get from social media they plenty when them they talk their own opinion, pass when them they listen to other people's opinion. True, we like to talk about ourselves. But you know, say 30 to 40% of face-to-face chat, they involve us talking about ourselves, and around 80% of social media communication na self-talk. The same part of the brain wey relate to orgasm, motivation and love, they gingered by how you they use social media, especially when you know say you get plenty followers. But it not only be about self-involvement. Sabi people don't say lovers fit like each other more when they first meet online rather than face to face. Whether people they anonymous or they clear about them life dream, statistics don't show say when people will start relationship online still dey together. So although internet don't change our spoken communication, as people don't dey physically far from each other, those wey true care about each other still dey close very well.
We dey come back with more informate on top na your health. So comot your shoe or leave am. Na your health don return.
All right, welcome back. This is still your very own show, Na Your Health. We send on top your TV show. Your TV show. Now, so you don't day. Before I start the tabon, they bite my tongue. All right, for today's episode, we'll be talking about temperament and how you fit to use them to your advantage. We don't answer some kind of questions where sabi people don't write when inside paper. We don't bring them out for you. And we hope say you self, you don't understand everything about why you be waiting you be and why your friend be why he or she be as he be so.
Yes, so like we don't tell you now already, you suppose understand all of these things, make you function properly, both for your relationship life, for your work life, and for everything where you they do. Because when you get this understanding, only you want your life go dey better. But time don't reach, we will come out for studio. As we dey always talk now, we pledge peace. And we love you. So it's time to leave, my sister.
Yes.
Let's give them a
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Gary.